Hello and welcome to Math 251 Online Calculus 1 here at Cañada College. I will be the instructor for this course. My name is Lapuz. This is going to be the first part of a three-part video orientation series discussing this course. And in this part of the video, we'll be talking about the syllabus and the schedule. The syllabus can be found in my website or in our Canvas site once you are able to log in. Again, my name is Lapuz. The best way to get a hold of me is through my email, rlapuz2@my.smccd.edu. Our website will be Canvas, and you can get to it by typing smccd.instructure.com, or you can go to the Cañada College homepage and you can find the Canvas link from there. I will have office hours on Wednesdays at 7:30 p.m. until 9 p.m. and we will have more information about that in our Canvas page. This course is an online course, and it's also a transferable course. And so we decided that this course will have proctored exams. There'll be 3 exams, 2 midterms and a final, and each of those exams will have 2 portions. One portion will be working in WebAssign, which is where your homework is, and the other portion will be in Canvas, and that portion will be proctored. The proctoring program that we will use is Proctorio. You need to have Google Chrome installed, you need to have a working webcam, and you need to have Proctorio. If you're going to have issues with setting this up, then you need to get a hold of me soon so we can set up a special time where we can Zoom and do our proctoring that way. The prerequisites for the calculus class would be pre-calculus, and here are the course descriptions. The course description is the same description that you would have found in Web Schedule. Our course materials will be a textbook and online access. The book can be found all online. If you want to have a hard copy of the book, you can rent one or you can get it online somewhere. But it's not necessary because the whole textbook can be accessed through WebAssign. Our WebAssign will be linked up with Canvas, and by signing up for this course you have essentially paid for the materials fees for this textbook access. If you have issues with that, you can contact the bookstore. I have a link for the bookstore down here below. You also should probably use your email from the district, and that email should end with my.smccd.edu. Here are the student learning outcomes for the course. By the end of this course, you should be able to discuss limits and continuity. You should be able to take derivatives of functions, compute them numerically, graphically, and symbolically, apply derivatives to related rates, optimizations, and other problems. And we're going to learn the fundamental theorem of calculus and be able to manipulate functions. Your grades will be based on some lab assignments, and the lab assignments are like pre-homework. They're going to set up your homework assignments. They will be graded according to the scale, so you don't have to complete everything, but if you get 75% or higher in a particular lab assignment, you'll get the full 10 points for credit. But you need to attempt this. There are no makeups for this. This will be due on Mondays. I think we have a typo here, so we'll fix that up. It's supposed to be due on Monday according to the schedule, so we'll take a look at the schedule after this. The homework assignments will be 15%, and again, they will be in the learning management system that we're going to use, which is WebAssign. and they will be due on Fridays. There's some makeup policy here. You can make up to 7 assignments for the semester, so try to use them sparingly. To make up an assignment, you have to go to WebAssign, and for any overdue assignments, there is a button that says Request Extension, and you can request extension. I can open it up for you again. There's 2 midterms and a final, and each of them will be worth 25% of your grade, and they will just be kind of lumped together. Again, these exams will have 2 parts of it, and the first part will be in WebAssign, the second part will be in Canvas using Proctorio. There are journal assignments. The journal assignments just talk about your progress and reflecting on the learning, and these will be worth 5%. There's one special journal assignment though, that journal assignment will ask you to install Proctorio and will give you a short quiz that would fall under the journal assignment. And the main purpose of that is to get you prepared for the actual test when you actually have to use Proctorio. And there's some special assignments that will be counted as extra credit if you want to participate in extra credit. And if you do, there's one first assignment that will be given, and that is to set up an e-portfolio in your Canvas page. And then from there, you're going to be, if you want to participate, you can do optional special assignments there. Your grades will be based on the plus-minus grading scheme. Your grades will be periodically updated in Canvas, and they'll be updated after each exam. So the scores that you would get from WebAssign will be transferred to Canvas, and just to minimize the transferring time, I usually do that after everything is due for the test. There's a list of resources here. There's the Learning Center. We will have tutoring in our Learning Center, so if you want to access that, you can click on this link, or you can find it in the Cañada College webpage. There's some personal counseling. The Disability Resource Center is also available, and a few other things that are campus related. The Title V sexual harassment statement can be found here, and the academic integrity policy is listed here as well. The courseware, the second part of your orientation, will discuss Canvas, and the courseware will be listed here, so you can go to the second part of the orientation to get the briefing on that. Just some due dates. You can find the due dates in the syllabus, but there's also a more comprehensive schedule that we can look at. So lab assignments are going to be due on Mondays, the homework assignments will be due on Fridays, and here are the dates for our exams. These are the due dates, which means you can do your exams before this if you want. The exams will be open about a week before the due date. And then there's some other important administrative dates that are listed in a calendar, and so they're listed here as well. Just for another view for the calendar, this is a semester overview. Listed on Mondays are the lab assignments, except for one Monday, which is a holiday. Our lab assignment for that particular day will be due on Tuesday. Your homework assignments are generally due on Fridays. The exams are generally going to be on Wednesdays, and the journal assignments are also generally going to be due on Wednesdays. So once Canvas is opened up, you can take a look at these assignments and see how they might look like. Introductions will be done in a discussion board. The math autobiography will be a little essay that you would type up and submit online. The Proctorio check will actually use Proctorio and have you answer a few questions. And then the rest are just a variety of either discussion board assignments or submission assignments. The semester will end on the semester officially ends on December 19th, but our final exam will be on December 17th. So again, the exams should be available a week before their due date, so you can work on it within that week. Okay. All right, so I think that's about it with the schedule and the syllabus. The next part of the orientation will cover Canvas, and then the last part of our orientation will cover WebAssign, which is where you're going to be doing your homework. Okay, well, good luck, and I hope you have fun. I'll see you online.